probability is written as a number from 0 to 1. From 0 to 1, we can write it as a decimal or as a fraction. We can also write these numbers as a percent, from 0% to up to 100%. This indicates how likely the event will occur. If the probability is 0, this event is impossible to occur. If the probability is 1, this event is certain to occur. An experiment is any process or action that has an observable result. Outcomes are results from the experiments. Sometimes we call it the universal set. An event is like a subset of the experiment. It's an outcome or set of desired outcomes. A set is a list or collection of items. A subset is a list or collection of all items that are contained within another set. It uses this sideways squishy C kind of symbol. The empty set, also called the null set, means that there's no elements that exist in the set. It's denoted by that 0 with a slash through it. Union has a U-shaped symbol. It means to unite everything in both sets or maybe multiple sets. Intersection is denoted with this N symbol. It only has what they share in common. The complement is either that apostrophe or with a bar across the top. It means everything outside of this set. Now this set could also be a union or an intersection complement. Let's take a look at this example. Hector has entered the following names in the contact list of his new cell phone: Alicia, Brissa, Steve, Don, and Ellis. Draw a Venn diagram to represent this. Over to the side it says that the B circle begins with a vowel, and the E circle will be anything that ends with a vowel. So we need to think about, is there any overlap? Are there any names that are outside of these two scenarios? Here's an example of what it might look like. Alice and Alicia both begin with vowels. Alicia, Brisa, and Steve end with vowels. Don does not fit into either category, and Alicia fits into both. List all the outcomes of B. List all the outcomes of E. List all the outcomes of B intersect E. List all the outcomes of B union E. List the outcomes of B complement. Sometimes people will forget to include names that are outside of the circles. In this case, Dawn. List all the outcomes of B union with E complement.